Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Charlie, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make my delicious turkey legs smothered in brown gravy, rice, green peas, and potato salad. This recipe serves about 3 people and it is absolutely delicious. So without further ado, let's get started, shall we? Here is all what you will need to make your turkey legs smothered in gravy, rice, green peas, and potato salad, and we're going to get started with our ingredients. You will need 2 pounds, that's 3 turkey legs. Now if you don't want to use the turkey legs, you can also use turkey wings, and you'll need 2 pounds for that, okay? And along with that, you will need some all-purpose flour, canola oil, unsalted butter, 2 cans, that's 30 ounces of Lasir sweet peas. Now this is 50% less sodium. You will also need some jasmine rice, mayonnaise, mustard, relish, and some eggs. And I forgot to mention, you will also need some sugar as well. For your seasonings, you will need 1 yellow onion, celery, bell pepper, garlic, 1 russet potato, and some dried thyme. For your additional seasonings, you will need some salt, Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning. Now if you don't have this, you can use the Zatarain's Creole seasoning or the Slap Your Mama Creole seasoning. And you will also need some Chef Paul Prudhomme's Poetry Magic. And there we have it. Let's get straight to it. Chop 1 yellow onion. Rinse your celery off before you chop it. Chop 4 stalks of celery. Rinse your bell pepper off before you chop it. Make sure you remove the core out of the center of your bell pepper before you chop it. Chop 1 green bell pepper. Here I have about 4 cloves of garlic. We're going to chop this up until it's minced. Rinse off 1 russet potato. Using a potato peeler, peel the potato. Chop the potato into small bite-sized pieces. And this is how it looks when we're done. Here we have a medium-sized bowl with some water. Add 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Give that a quick stir. Add the potatoes into the vinegar and water solution. Not only does this help clean the potatoes, but it also prevents them from turning brown. Now you're going to let this sit until you're ready to cook the potatoes. Add your turkey legs into a strainer and rinse with cold water. We've transferred our turkey legs into a large bowl. Add 2 teaspoons of Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning, 1 teaspoon of Chef Paul Prudhomme's Poetry Magic, and a half a teaspoon of dried thyme. Using your hands, coat the seasonings onto the turkey legs. Place this into your refrigerator for 1 hour or overnight. Preheat your fire to medium-high heat. For your roux, add 1/3 cup of canola oil. Let the oil get hot for 2 minutes. Add 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour. Using a wooden spatula, stir all your ingredients together. Continue to stir this for 5 minutes or until your roux reaches a brown color, like how you see here. Turn your fire off. Continue to stir this for an additional 4 minutes, and during those 4 minutes your roux would turn into a dark brown color. And there we have it. Let the roux cool completely. Preheat your fire to medium-high heat. In a large saucepan, add 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Spread the butter along the bottom of your pan. Let the butter melt. Add your turkey legs. Let these sear for 3 minutes on each side. Once done, remove your turkey legs out of the pan and place them onto a serving dish. Let's add some seasoning. Add 1 cup of chopped yellow onion, 2/3 cup of chopped celery, 2/3 cup of chopped green bell pepper, and 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic. Give this a quick stir. Let this saute for 10 minutes. Add your roux. Give this a quick stir. Add 4 cups of water. Give this a quick stir. Let this come to a simmer. We're at a simmer. Let's add some seasoning. Sprinkle a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning, 2 teaspoons of Chef Paul Prudhomme's Poetry Magic, and a 1/2 teaspoon of dried thyme. Stir all your ingredients together. Taste your gravy base to see if it's at your desired taste, and if not, you can add more seasoning. Add your turkey legs. Just going to take the spoon and we're going to coat those turkey legs with the gravy base. Cover with lid. Let this simmer for 45 minutes. It's been about 45 minutes now. And our smothered turkey legs is now done. And as you can see here, that gravy is nice and thick. And we're going to take a fork, and as you can see, those turkey legs are nice and tender. Turn your fire off. Let this cool for 5 minutes before serving. Preheat your fire to medium-high heat. Here we have 2 quarts of water into a medium-sized pot. Let this come to a simmer. Add your cubed potatoes into a strainer. Add 2 teaspoons of salt. Give this a quick stir. Add your cubed potatoes and 3 large eggs. Let this simmer for 12 minutes. It's been about 12 minutes now, and we're going to take a fork to check to see if the potatoes are done. And after 12 minutes, they are done. Nice and tender. Turn your fire off. Remove the eggs and place them into a bowl. Drain your potato cubes into a strainer. Let this cool completely. Here we have 1 egg. We're going to crack the top and the bottom portion of the egg, and we're going to rinse the egg off with cold water while we're peeling off the shell. And as you can see, that shell should come right off. Using a sharp knife, make an incision going all around the egg white. And once you open it up, there's the egg yolk. Take the egg yolk and place that into a bowl. Take your egg whites and chop this up until it's minced, like how you see here. Using the back of a spoon, smash your egg yolks. Add 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, 2 teaspoons of mustard, and 1/2 teaspoon of Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning. Stir all your ingredients together. Continue to stir until creamy. And this is how it looks when we're done. Here we have our cubed potatoes in a medium-sized bowl. Add your chopped egg whites, 1/4 cup of chopped yellow onion, 1/4 cup of chopped celery, and 1/4 cup of sweet relish. Stir all your ingredients together. Add your mayonnaise, mustard, and egg yolk mixture. Stir all your ingredients together. Continue to stir this until well combined, and our potato salad is done. Take this and place this into your refrigerator and keep it in your refrigerator at all times. Preheat your fire to medium-high heat. Here we have 2 quarts of water in a medium-sized pot. Let this come to a simmer. Add 1 cup of rice. Give this a quick stir. Let this come to a simmer first. Then let it simmer for 7 to 8 minutes. It's been about 7 to 8 minutes now, and our rice is now done. Now you want to make sure you taste your rice to see if it's at your desired texture. Turn your fire off. Add your rice into a mesh strainer. And rinse with cold water. Return the strainer back on top of the pot. Put a lid on top and let this set for 15 minutes. Preheat your fire to medium-high heat. In a medium-sized pot, add 2 cans of green peas. Add 1/4 cup of chopped yellow onion, 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and 1/3 cup of sugar. Stir all your ingredients together. Let this come to a simmer first. Then you let it simmer for 5 minutes. It's been about 5 minutes now, and our green peas are now done. Turn your fire off. Let this cool for 5 minutes before serving, and our meal is complete. Here is the final presentation. And there you have it, turkey legs smothered in brown gravy, rice, green peas, and potato salad. If you like my channel, hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell button if you want to be notified of my videos. You can also check out this recipe along with all of my other recipes, as well as contact me or donate to the channel. Visit www.charliethecookandrews.com. You can also like, follow, or contact me on Facebook and on Instagram under the name Charlie the Cook Andrews. Stay tuned as Charlie's taste test is coming up next. Now it's time for Charlie's taste test. Oh, look at this here. Excited. Got my fork and my spoon ready because I'm about to chow down. Oh man, look at that. Oh. potato salad. Man, the turkey leg is nice and tender. Then you have that gravy and that rice. Oh, it's so good. The green peas, nice, sweet, buttery. It's so delicious. The potato salad. I mean, man, it is so good. I'm telling y'all. Try the recipe. And that's it. I hope you all enjoyed the video. So until next time, take care, and I hope you all have a blessed day. Peace. Well, this is good. Ooh, I put my foot in this, boy. It's good.